Hello, hi, and welcome to Savvy Ash, the Ashley, and this is my channel. So today I've decided I'm going to be doing a little eyeshadow cheat sheet for you guys. If you're not somebody who knows how to apply eyeshadow, this video is for you. But if you're a makeup artist and you know all that you need to know about eyeshadow, please do not watch this video because you're not going to like the things I'm going to say, because I'm doing it from my point of view of somebody who's also learning when it comes to eyeshadow, and I think I've cracked a few hacks here and there. So please do subscribe, like this video, and let's get started. So when it comes to eyeshadow, I think another problem that people have is the brushes that they're using. For a beginner, for somebody who is just starting out, you don't know much about eyeshadow, these are the 3 brushes that I do recommend that you get. It's a blending brush. This one is the most important one, and I feel like the problem is eyeshadows come with a packing brush. This brush is just to place eyeshadow. This one is to blend it in, to get rid of the harsh lines and all of that. This one is a must. I bought this from Essence. It was $35. These two, they came in a pack from Signature Cosmetics. It cost me $50. So all in all, you need at least 80 rands to get yourself your brushes for eyeshadow, right? These 3 are a must. This is for when you are a beginner. Let me repeat this. This eyeshadow tutorial is for beginners only. If you are a pro, good on you. But these are the eyeshadow brushes you will need. This one, most important. Second most important, it's okay. You can actually get away with just having these 2. But this one is great for your inner tear duct and for focusing here. So I would recommend you do get it. And yeah, that's it, guys. I feel like now I can demonstrate to you guys how you get the eyeshadow on. Okay, so this is how your eye is, right? Hope it shows up now, right? So because this is how your eye is, you will first choose a main color that will go on this. So if you want to do a red eye, your red is going to go here. If you want to do a blue eye, your blue is going to go here. If you want to go for a green eye, your green is going to go here, right? Then after you choose the main color, you're going to have to choose a lighter version of that color. So for red, you'll choose pink. For green, you'll choose light green. For blue, you'll choose light blue, and so on and so forth. And the lighter version will always go here. So if you put your red here, you're going to put your pink here. Then now we go for colors that I want to go on here, which is the tear duct. And those colors are your shimmery shades, your golds, your bronzes. If you don't have those colors, you could just go for using your bronzer that you're going to use for your face. So these colors, all these shiny colors, they all go here and here, right? So you can stick to using a main color and the lighter version of it and leave it like that. But if you want to have your eye pop, you can go ahead and put the shimmery shade here. So basically, let's recap. Main color, lighter version of that color, shimmery color. So examples: brown, light brown, red, pink, orange, yellow, brown, light brown, blue, light blue, green, light green. I do recommend that you guys go back to your art and culture notes, you look for the color wheel and see which colors complement each other. Okay, so now you guys are up close. My lens for my camera just broke, so I couldn't really zoom in as much as I wanted to. So I hope you guys can see what's going on. So this is my eye right now. I did my brows and I applied a concealer. Where's the concealer I used? I used this concealer from Wet n Wild. The concealer is in dark cocoa. Is it? Yeah, it's dark cocoa. I applied it. Then of course I baked with my baking powder and I let that set. You have to do that just so that when you're done with your makeup, you know that thing that happens where there's lines where your skin shows through the eyeshadow. That's what it's to avoid. You apply your concealer and your powder. Please do that. And now let's get straight into doing the eyeshadow. right? And now I'm going to divide my eye into 3. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, right? And as I've said, I want this one to be my main color. A lighter version of that is this color. So we're going to start with this. Always start with the blending brush because it gives us like a more nice finish. I'm gonna go in here. Always blow the excess off or else it falls here. Then I'm going to apply it here. I hope you guys can see. I wish I had better quality. Right? Take your time, guys. Do not rush. And when you're doing this, do it like you're drawing the sun. Okay, let me show you guys a up close look. So this is how it should look. You can see I focused on just the top, the outer part, right? Now we're going to go in with the main color, which is this one, right? So I'm gonna go in, then again, can you see how the colors complement each other? This one is like a darker color, but it's not that like dark. They look like I'm using the same color. I wish I had like a more darker. I hope you can see the difference. This one is a bit darker. Right? And if you want that color to be darker, this comes in. You take this and you go, then you just for a more dark look. I hope you guys can see. And then finally we're going to choose a shimmery color, a color that we're going to put here, right? And we're going to use this brush. That color for me is definitely this one, because it looks like it's got a bit of red in it. So I'm going to go in here and then, oh, it looks more yellow, but it's okay. Then always try to do your eyeshadow before you do the rest of your makeup, so you can be able to clean up all these parts, right? You take your blending brush, try to wipe off all of that excess, and then try to blend this color into your eye. Can you see how that eyeshadow looks?